Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerri. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet the edging around the cushion I've been making. I'll be using 8-ply wool, which is light worsted in the US and double knit in the UK. I've got white for the main colour and teal for the contrast colour. I'll use a 1.25mm crochet hook. I've got scissors, a darning needle to weave in my ends. To make up the cushion you'll need 4 solid granny squares joined together and 4 flowers. I've got links in the video for them in the description below. To make up the cushion you'll need some material and an insert. Before I start the edging I'll just stitch on my flowers. 1 flower to each of the 4 granny squares. I use yellow thread and I just stitch around the centre part. So I'll do that and I'll be back. Now I start the edging with my contrast colour. You can join your wool anywhere you like, but I'm going to join it near the join here. So I bring up a loop. I've got a bit of a tail. I'm going to crochet in my tail. And I start with 1 chain and I work 1 single crochet in the same place as a chain. So for a single crochet, I put my hook into the stitch, bring up a loop, yarn around and take it through the 2 loops. It's called a double crochet in the UK. Now I do the next into my next stitch. I put my hook into the loop, into the stitch, bring up a loop, yarn around and take it through to the 2 loops. So hook into the stitch, bring up a loop, take my yarn around and bring the hook and yarn through the 2 loops. So now I work 1 single crochet into each stitch up to the corner. Now I'm at the corner 2 chain loop. I work 3 single crochet into that loop there. And now I continue around working 1 single crochet into each stitch until I get to the next corner, and then I'll work 3 single crochet into each of the corners and 1 single crochet into each of the other stitches. So I'll continue around and I'll be back when I get back to my join. At the end of the row we join with a slip stitch in the chain from the beginning of the row. So we put our hook into the chain, bring up a loop and take it straight through the other loop, and that's a slip stitch. For row 2 we start with 1 chain and work a single crochet in the same place as a chain, and then we work a single crochet into each stitch until we get to the 3 corner stitches. Now I'm to the 3 corner stitches, so now I work 2 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. And now I continue around the next side working 1 single crochet into each stitch. So I'll continue around the row working 1 single crochet into each stitch except for our 3 stitches in the corner, and I'll work 2 single crochet into each of those. So I'll continue around this row and I'll meet you at the end. At the end of the row I join with a slip stitch, but I'm starting on my white, so I bring my white through, I make a loop on my hook and bring it through and bring it through my blue, pull the blue tight, and then I start using my white. So I start with 1 chain and work a single crochet in the first stitch. I crochet over my white and blue, and then I work a single crochet in each stitch up to the corner 3 stitches. I'll just cut off my blue now, close to the stitch. And I'll trim that little bit up there. And then just continue up to the corner. Now I'm at the corner 3 stitches, and I work 2 single crochet into each of the 3 stitches in at the corner. And now I continue around working 1 single crochet into each stitch and 3 single crochet, 2 single crochet into each of the 3 corner stitches all the way around. So I'll continue around the row and I'll meet you at the end of the row. At the end of the row we join with a slip stitch in the chain. For row 4, our last row, we work 1 chain and work a single crochet in the same place as a chain, and then we work 3 chain. We miss the next single crochet and work a single crochet in the following single crochet, and then work 3 chain and miss the next and work a single crochet in the following, and 3 chain, miss the next stitch and work a single crochet in the following stitch, and we repeat that all the way around the row. So just 3 chain, miss the next stitch and work a single crochet in the following stitch all around to the beginning of the row. So I'll continue around this row and I'll be back. At the end of the row I'll work my 3 chain and I slip stitch into the first single crochet and fasten off. And there's the finished top of the cushion. I'll have on my website how to make up a simple cushion. I'm no seamstress, but I am able to do a simple cushion. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. I'm also on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter. The details are in the description below, along with the details of my website. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.